Do you have home videos that you want to easily share with your family members? Today, I'm going to show you how you can use videos that have been uploaded to YouTube and link them to the people that are featured in that video over on FamilySearch to make it easier to share your family stories with others. FamilySearch does not allow you to upload videos to its platform. However, you can, in the memories section on FamilySearch, share a video with this cool hack. So I have this video that I created about my husband's grandpa, Kevin, and it's really cool. I did some really great things in this video, but I can get the link to this video and then put it over on FamilySearch in Grandpa Kevin Memories page. So over here on Memories, what I have to do is get a screenshot of this video. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a print screen, and then I'm going to go to Paint. Paint is on Microsoft Word, and I did a Control V, and now I'm going to crop to that image. Now that I have created an image, I can go over to FamilySearch. I'm in the memories. I'm going to click Create Story, and then I'm going to select an image from gallery if the image is already in my gallery, or I'm going to upload it using the upload feature. And then I can give it a title. I can add a little story, and this says an interview with Richard Kevin, shares his memory. Click here to watch, click save. When I scroll down to this photo section, you see the words click here to watch. Now I can move that higher up so it says click here to watch, and then give a description so people know, oh wait, there's a link. That's one way that you can share videos, because now when people are in the FamilySearch app and they're exploring memories, they can stumble upon these memories that link to videos, and then they can go watch them over on YouTube. If you have further questions on how to do things in FamilySearch, please let me know. Use the comments field. If you want more tips and tricks on how to use FamilySearch, click right up here. And if you're ready for something new, check out our latest video right here.